everyone! I've just wrapped up my experience at SAP Sapphire in Madrid, and I have to say it was truly inspiring. What stood out the most was the clarity of SAP's vision. We are entering a new era of enterprise management, and the SAP Business Suite is leading the way. It's not just about software updates. It's a complete reinvention of how businesses operate, scale, and transform in a world defined by change. If you are curious to understand what this means for your organization, stick with me as I'll walk you through the key takeaways that really make me think differently about the future of enterprise. Let's dive in. What makes the new SAP Business Suite so powerful is its ability to bring together three pillars: applications, data, and artificial intelligence into one unified ecosystem. SAP has embedded AI agents directly into its suite of applications, not as a layer on top, but as a core engine that drives intelligent decision-making across every function. Besides processing information, these agents understand business context, making them valuable partners in everyday operations. And behind this intelligence is the data, structured, unstructured, from SAP and non-SAP sources, harmonized in what SAP calls the Business Data Cloud. Imagine having semantically aligned, business-ready data always at your fingertips. One of the biggest takeaways for me was how this transformation speaks directly to the needs of C-level leaders. CFOs can now rely on real-time forecasts to balance profitability and growth. CEOs gain the ability to respond to supply chain disruptions as they unfold, not after the fact. Talent teams can uncover skill gap instantly. Sales leaders can personalize customer engagement with predictive precision, and CIOs finally have a path to modernize IT without creating new complexity. This is about building a business that operates as one intelligent, agile system, ready to act, adapt, and scale. Another insight is that there isn't just one way to embrace the SAP Business Suite. Whether you are modernizing an existing ERP system or starting fresh, SAP has designed two clear journeys. With Rise with SAP, existing SAP ERP customers are guided through a tailored transformation, supported by tools that help you stay agile and aligned with business strategy. And with Grow with SAP, which is for customers who are new to SAP ERP, the experience is simplified. Prepackaged modules, transparent pricing, and a focus on speed and flexibility. Either paths lead to the same destination, a future-ready enterprise powered by intelligence and built to evolve. In short, SAP Sapphire Madrid 2025 made it clear. The future of enterprise isn't just digital. It's intelligent, integrated, and incredibly fast. The SAP Business Suite is a connected system that brings out the best in your business by turning insights into action and complexity into clarity. If you want to explore more about what was unveiled at the event or take a closer look at the SAP Business Suite, SAP is hosting a special webcast series in a few weeks. I have included the link to register in the description. Thanks for watching, and let's keep building what's next. Ciao!